Greetings YouTube, this is part 4 of my Tannus tire insert hellish deep dive series. So if you're just tuning in, check out the playlist. I'd recommend starting from video number 1. The big thing to know is not to buy these, and I demonstrate that in this deep dive series. And if you do buy these and insert them and you get a tire wobble, this video series will share my experience and ultimately my path to getting my bike working again after making the mistake of inserting these foam inserts. So that's what we're doing here, is we're taking the tire off the back wheel. We've done our troubleshooting process at this point. We've watched the videos on the Tannus website, and we've tried to massage the insert into place. We've deflated the tire and let it sit overnight so the insert can kind of just seat itself better. That didn't work, and so now we're just cleaning this tire with some soapy water to break the bead off, because it is extremely hard to get the bead off. The other thing I'll note is that I did deflate the tire and rode the bike down my driveway, because the thing with the foam inserts is you're supposed to be able to do that, right? Ride the tire without any air in it very slowly, and the tire wobbled so much that I had to hike the bike. So I was like, okay, that makes this product pretty pointless, because it would be such a pain to put the tube in with the foam insert in, because it's so hard to get the tire off with the foam insert in, that it's just not at all worth it. There's so many cons to this product. I cannot not recommend it enough. So hence my deep dive video series and my feelings of being scammed at Sea Otter, because the sales guys were so good. They told me how great this product was, and I just hook, line, and sinker. It's like, oh yeah, sell me 2 of them. I'm going to put them in my bike. It's going to be amazing. And then it wasn't, and now I'm in this crazy saga. So here's where I take the bead off the tire. You can see that the insert is perfectly inserted for just a little while longer. We use a tire lever to take the insert off and out of the tire, set it on the ground there, and then we go get some water, because hydration is important. Drink some water, and then put this tire back on this wheel so easily now that there's not an insert in there. Go ahead and put the valve core back in the valve stem, add some air, takes air no problem, and after that we finish cleaning off this wheel. Then we put it back on the bike for the moment of truth to see if the wobble's gone, and what do we see? Wobble is still there. Not as bad as it was before though, and what this means is buying a new tire, and that's going to be part 5 of this series, putting the new tire on and making sure the wobble goes away. You want your wheels to spin straight, and you don't want your tire to be wobbly. So in any case, that's just about all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you around.